Cook Your Catch is basically it's kind of our ultimate offering as far as our fishing and dining excursions go. This is something that has melded basically all the passion of the culinary side of things as well as the fishing side of things, and it's basically created this experience of not only a meal but a day of gathering on the water, fishing, exploring. It is a private charter, and granted, you're fishing and gathering for the meal itself, but you have that unique opportunity to be able to, if you want to salmon fish for the first time in your life in Alaska, or if you want to halibut fish, this is your boat, this is your charter. The boat's coming in the marina, I can see from my kitchen, and I head down, greet the boat, greet the guests. Immediately, I'm looking in the fish box. I want to see what they've caught and just share that sense of accomplishment with them and build that excitement for the meal. When the fishing guide comes into the Cook Your Catch private dining room and he has a pan of the fresh filet that the guest just caught, and it's another photo opportunity. It's the guests literally seeing their beautiful fillets in front of them, and it's passed directly to the chef in this open kitchen concept where you literally see your fish, the fresh fillet, start to be transformed into the meal itself. My expectation as the chef, for the guide and the guests and even my culinary team is that it's just this sense of accomplishment. It's kind of this insight that you've gained into Southeast Alaska, the respect for the different species, the ingredients, kind of a newfound, wow moment for your sense of place here and the experience you had, the day, the meal, the relationships you built. It's a lot more than just a meal. It's something that you physically helped create, and you worked with a team, and you're literally part of our team during this experience. So at the end of the day, there's a lot of pride that you should feel, and we do the same.